Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's been some time since I actually went ahead and recorded some boosted FRS content. Now, don't get it twisted. I definitely have been driving this car. Honestly, I drive this more than I do the Shelby. This honestly became the new daily, but I figured I'd go ahead, jump back in here and get a few hard pulls. We're gonna be on map 2 in this video, which is gonna be around, should be about 14 pounds of boost, 15. This is boost weather, so the car should be making high 3s, might be kissing 400 wheel. I actually did just get the revision for a 17-pound map, but I don't think I'm actually loaded up. I actually do have a deposit on the turbo kit that's on the car right now, so I'm trying to work out with somebody locally back home in Illinois to pretty much sell me his turbo kit, which is a Precision 5858. Gonna swap that in on this car at the same time I'm pulling off the Greddy, and we're gonna make over 500 wheel, which this thing at 500 wheel will annihilate, absolutely annihilate the GT350. Wouldn't even be close. Would be a Mustang owner's worst nightmare. But without further ado, let's go ahead, get in here. First, I gotta go ahead and flash the car from map 1 to map 2 because I've been riding around on gate pressure for like the past 3-4 weeks. So let me go ahead and do that real quick, and then we're gonna get right into the hard pulls, which is gonna sound pretty crazy in this boost weather with the windows down. All right, so the nice thing about ECU Tech is I can do everything like over the phone, man. Like, I'm literally gonna go to map switching right now. Map 1, we're gonna go on map 2 tonight. So just like that, the car is on map 2, and we're on about, should be about 14 pounds of boost. Might actually even be 15 pounds of boost because it is kind of cool out. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the boost weather and have some fun. All right. Boost weather. I mean, this thing is it's building boost pretty quick tonight. This code real quick. I definitely need to go ahead and how do you do like a maintenance checkup on this car again? I gotta change my plugs, my spark plugs and coil packs again on this. Definitely feel like that'd probably be a smart decision to do. Between this car and the Shelby is like, this shit, like there ain't no quiet mode. Like it's just, it's loud 24/7. I need to like jump on the highway and get like a nice little pull going. All right, so shifting the car too quick because it is still the stock transmission. Once I get the new turbo setup, I'm probably not going to give a fuck, as weird as that may sound. Because right now, just on this turbo setup, I don't want to blow the trans on this turbo. I have a spare trans, but I don't want to blow the trans on an 18G turbo. No. I'll blow it on the 55 or the 58, but not the 18G. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to, this is like, the car is not, it's not up to snuff right now. It's quick, don't get me wrong, but it needs to be a little bit quicker. Compared to a fucking stock FRS, this thing is a rocket ship. I'm gonna do a pull on the way back, but I'm gonna leave in like second gear. Because this car is boost by gear, if you guys haven't been able to tell. I think it's pretty obvious, which is unfortunate because the turbo's too small to really benefit boost by gear, in my personal opinion. This thing needs to be hitting that 17 pounds off rip. You see the delay, like the insane delay. I mean, that felt pretty good, but like you saw the delay right there. Like, that should not be happening with the built motor setup on a turbo of this size. Like, you see the delay. I need to get rid of that, which is kind of why I want to change the entire setup, like turbo kit wise and tune wise. Because, ooh, I smell, I don't know if it's clutch or transmission right there. But I'm not gonna lie, I lifted very slightly right there, but yeah, that's kind of why I'm not, you know, going too crazy right now with this setup. But that's what I'm talking about. Like, there should not be a delay. Like, I put my foot down and it's just like, okay, ah, boost. All right, I'm gonna do one more pull, but I'm gonna do this in fourth gear. I wonder if it's any different in fourth gear, if it feels any different. I think the hottest it's gotten tonight was like 176. So this shit is putting in work. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys can hear me me, man. This car is like, it's loud. Like, there's really no quiet mode at all. I mean, it's funny because this is like technically my daily driver right now. When I don't want to take out the Shelby. But I just want to make a vid just to go ahead and get some hard pulls on setting 2. I still have another setting. This setting, I think I saw it hit, like, honestly, like close to 17 pounds, if not 17 pounds of boost, when I did the 3rd to 4th gear pull in here. So I mean, the next setting might even hit 20, but I don't really think it's gonna make any difference because I'm not really enjoying the way that the car is pretty much running right now. Like I said, this is a built motor turbo F820, and the tune, it feels like how it was with the stock engine, which obviously it shouldn't be like that. I want the boost now, so I need to go ahead and just change the setup up a little bit. Bigger turbo, more boost, like maybe 20 to 22 PSI boost out of a 58, and just a more aggressive tune to really wake this car up, because I mean, the car weighs like 2,600 pounds. So like, if I get a spicy tune, this thing is moving out. But right now, that's like kind of why I haven't really been bringing it out, you know, running it, whatnot, just because it's not fully dialed in right now. I mean, this is literally just a point A to point B car right now at this point, which is okay. You gotta learn to walk before you can run. But if you guys enjoy, make sure you guys drop a like in the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. Let me know down in the comment section right now, for those of you who have boosted FRSs, BRZ 86s, with the built motor setup, what turbo are you guys running? How much boost are you guys pushing, and how are you enjoying the setup? Because theoretically, I shouldn't be chasing like power with this car, because I have another car that can do that. But at the same time, it's like, shit, bro, I paid, you know, for a built motor. I'm gonna get, you know, I'm gonna get my money's worth. So I'm definitely gonna go ahead and just pretty much swap this turbo for a much bigger one. But if you guys enjoy it, like I said, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one, man. Deuces.